Alright then, just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always guys, before we begin, please do make sure you go down below and sign up with some of our partners. Get yourself some free money, get yourself some bonuses, deposit bonuses, trade bonuses, cashback, all kinds of good stuff down there. Make sure you go and get involved. The CASHBACK one is particularly good. You just have to sign up in KYC and you'll get an instant $100 cashback, which is absolutely incredible. Make sure you go down below and get involved in those deals. And we are just taking a quick look at Vechain here. As we can see, the market continuing to move bearish. Bitcoin's been exceptionally bearish recently. And the altcoin space looking like now it's just starting to grind to the downside. You can see Vechain here pretty obviously coming up and tapping multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times into this big daily fair value gap recreated with that huge liquidation cascade that we saw on Friday the 10th of October. Since then, we've come down to the bear market low, we bounced, and now we are starting to close down below this level. As we continue to move bearish for the whole of the altcoin space, Bitcoin looking exceptionally bearish right now, being dragged down by the traditional markets, NQ here, as you can see. This is the Nasdaq 100, getting dragged down pretty significantly here, having a very, very bearish time over the past month or so, and as a result, pretty much all of our cryptos are getting dragged down by Bitcoin retracing in line with this as well. You can see Bitcoin here right now retracing through a lot of significant fair value gaps, looking very market maker sell model-y. We come up, we try and push for a new high, and then we just come and absolutely collapse to the downside, looking for the liquidity down to the downside here. We've pretty much swept out all the way down to 80k at this point, which is an incredible drop for Bitcoin. But as I've said in previous videos, once you start to get over 30% down for Bitcoin, it does start to bounce quite considerably. You can see we got down to 35% there, 36% from the all-time high, before getting a pretty significant bounce on Friday. The weekend, a little bit of a renaissance, as you can see. But who knows what's going to go on this week. We're all just waiting for Bitcoin to start bouncing and altcoins to start getting some relief. You can see Vechain grinding to the downside like the rest of the altcoin space. And that's it, really. We're just waiting for Bitcoin to bounce. Right now, everything looking very bearish. Long-term price entries looking so juicy, though. I'm averaging into the market, as always, on a bunch of these cryptos that you can see on my tabs. Dogecoin here looking especially juicy for me because I'm targeting $1. But overall, Vechain right now, basically in a position where I would expect this to be higher when we start to see altcoins bouncing than it is now. So I keep averaging in, and that's it. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.